DJ
Welcome back, everybody.
Welcome back. There's something about singing in the shower that makes you feel like a star. So this is like rollout, you know, that we do on a Friday.
Yeah, but we're calling it singing in the shower.
But this is singing in the
'Cause
shower.
you can't see them.
No, you can't see them.
In
but
the
our
shower.
contestants are behind the shower curtain. Sakina, what kind of madness is happening this weekend?
It's Saturday. It's Saturday. We go all out. We do our thing. So our first contestant is it Bully Basta? All right. Send it in the shower. Okay, lyricist. Okay,
K-lyricist, let's go.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, Mama, she gave life to me. My mother, she gave life to me. Mama, she gave life to me. Mama, don't worry no more, I've got this. Success in real life, them can't stop this. Already study them style, read them profile, but mining thoughts won't satisfy. No worry no more, I've got this. Success in real life, them can't stop this. Already study them style, read them profile, but mining their thoughts won't satisfy. Mama, that told me, be careful who you follow, breed them motive. No for come with smile and grin, but I can see them toxic within. Don't make them test your faith, you will definitely sin. Chant a psalms, release the burden from within. They can just step up, me still striking. Once in my fall, me keep rising. Don't worry no more, I've got this. Success in real life, them can't stop this.
Him a properly beard, but me never see him wash him arm though.
No, you never wash your armpit. You never wash your armpit. And you never put the rag over your mouth. Sound good, man. Sound good. All right, we're rolling in the next entertainer. Yeah, man. Look through the shower curtain. Who we have next now? Somebody.
Next is Latiz.
Latiz?
Run it, girl. Sing in the shower.
Yeah, yeah. Can't say me not mine. Think and team for one track then. Enough issues for time me adjust them. Enough man I forget about the girl them. Real gangsters, this all I want them. I want man for a pre-girl cut them. Tight nookie, big nookie, not a problem. From you a gen I don't know you have to have them. Pick up the man where the girl them surround them. Right now, let you go and make you run come. No man, be a tax a woman done. Every one of them stick a bush we have fun. When you're dead you can't bring that underground fire burn them man they. Fire burn them boy they. Fire pan them crown they. Them fool they know them can't come round me. You mad? Which man and mommy thoughts done? Ready figure put them underground. Now call them name on my tongue. Better get nuclear, them underground standard no job, so you left never flap. After talk hard for your girl, look back. All I wash over, you still a rock that. Just a feature the girls with a whole heap of fat. Real gangster swag, yes I got it like that. That is love the man them with.
Listen. She sound good.
Go through Latiz.
Go through Latiz. Latiz being odd. And the ragga flinging at here.
Bully bastard. Your last stop. I hope you can beard properly.
Whose idea was this? Somebody.
Kamika.
All mercy. Hey. To be a DJ, me tell them sit down and plan. Say good lyrics with imagination. Say up in a me head, me little education. Me walk me 2 foot, then call me pedestrian. Me walk from town, come straight to Senton. Me walk off me clocks and me 2 gentlemen. Me have a little girl where they call Susie Wang. Say which part she come from, no over Japan. She call me on the phone and she a sing love song. Say lang shang lang lang pie. Say people say me wicked while people say me wild. Say some a talk truth while some a tell lies. Sing, have to be your man, me say me have to be your man. tell the whole of them, Lord, may have to be your man. It's not the clothes that you wear that make you be your man. It's not the food where you eat that make you be your man. You have to keep up to your pride and your ambition. My greatest aim is to reach Mount Zion. I go and march with Mark, Luke and John. Call me by my name, then call me Bully Bascan. Say for me.
All right, Bully Bascan. Okay, Bully, you never bid. Bully, you don't bid. Bully, you sing.
That's what me. And you run out of the shower and the shower not even turn on.
You don't bid, Bully. You're back dry.
This was called the shower singing, you know. You're supposed to bid while you sing.
Right.
Or maybe he was in the river. Just.
We never got one out of the river. Shower. All right. Who is our vote?
Sakina, this is your show.
All right.
I can't vote
on behalf
on
of myself and Extra, I think the person who did the best bat and the best performance was Latisse.
Yeah,
See, you thought the same
Latisse
thing.
washed everywhere.
Latisse behaved properly and she